Did you know that one of America's most deadly killers lived next door to families for 30 years without anyone suspecting a thing? Richard Kuklinski seemed like just another suburban dad. He barbecued on weekends, drove his kids to school, and kissed his wife goodbye each morning. But behind this perfect family man mask was a stone-cold contract killer the mafia called the Iceman. For 3 decades, Kuklinski claimed he murdered over 200 people for organized crime families. His signature move was chilling, literally. He would freeze his victims' bodies for months, then dump them later. This twisted method confused police about when the murders actually happened, making investigations nearly impossible. Kuklinski was so good at his deadly double life that even his own family had no idea. His wife thought he sold cars for a living. But in 1986, an undercover FBI agent posing as a fellow criminal finally cracked the case. They caught the Iceman on tape discussing murder plans, ending one of the most shocking criminal careers in American history. The suburban serial killer was finally put on ice.